just got a call. Turn the radio down. Just got a call from the mechanic. He said to stop by the shop on the Focus. He told me that I dodged a bullet, so I don't know what that means exactly, but he says it's all apart and just to stop by because he wants to show me what's going on. So we'll see you when we get there. What do you got? So
Let's lock right up.
So what's that from?
This is the vacuum pump, but that's from lack of oil. Poor quality oil.
Oh, really?
And this is the drive that threads into the camshaft. That's what drives your vacuum pump. So when this locks up, it breaks, shears that bolt. And then you have to get that, which is recessed in the camshaft.
All right, pull that
out.
down there by that so I can see that. So that goes on there like that.
So that's what should be part of that.
Damn.
So this is
my dad goes to me in the practice and goes, man, you got good brakes on this thing. And he's up I'm like, this broken. What do you mean good brakes?
The pedal's good and hard. And then this is like recessed in the camshaft like a half an inch. So you got to go with like a
So it
screwdriver.
goes in the
and try to
cam? So
work
this
it.
attaches to the cam?
This threads into the camshaft.
And
that's
what part is
drives.
this exactly? What
this
is
is
this?
the vacuum pump.
The vacuum pump, not the brake booster.
Not the brake booster.
Oh,
this is what makes
wow.
the brake booster do what it
Oh, okay.
do what it does.
All right. Oh, yeah. So that fucking broke.
What is this contraption?
Oh,
That's what I'm
hey.
saying.
You want to be on camera? No. He's like, no, let me see.
Is he opening his own garage?
I know. No, that's awesome. No. All right, that's cool. How much is that part? Like $4,000 or?
Somewhere. It might be
$200.
$38.95.
Oh my God, nothing. No, that's awesome.
$20 more than it should be because it was on.
Oh, this is like the back
National
order,
National
yeah.
Back Order.
So this
They
is
had
a new
one in
thing.
Mass.
This is what it looks like. Wow, that's awesome. Where's that located in the car? Is it like on the front or like attached right to the engine? Yeah.
Is that your new hot rod?
Yeah. I only paid
Went back and forth to work in that thing?
$2,500 for it. It sat in the guy's driveway for 2 years.
That didn't sit in the garage.
Yeah, well, you know.
That's still, that's good if you can get rid of it and make a couple bucks.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna flip it, you know.
So that bolt goes way in there.
Wow. Yeah, the oil is like
Well, he ended up
Terrible.
You changed it, right?
Yeah, I changed
yeah.
it. It still
But it
doesn't
was
look
still
real good.
yeah. I'll probably do a couple oil changes on it and just,
Yeah, just
keep
keep dumping it.
Just do like one a month or something like that if I don't flip it, you know. I'm gonna drive it a little bit, of course, but yeah, wow.
Yeah,
so
those
it goes
guys,
in there.
John, that number we had, they'll make this thing look.
Yeah.
What would they? What would they charge them?
Well,
It
bit more
depends
than
if you
mine.
steam the carpets, which
yeah, I
probably
want the
needs.
I want the seat steam, the carpet
Yeah,
because
it'd probably be a couple $100, maybe $250.
Yeah, that's
But
fine.
it'll
No, I'll
look like
pay
it. Just
it.
came off the showroom.
yeah, because like one
I'm
guy.
gonna actually ask him to see if he'll steam the carpet in the record.
Is he coming out today?
Yeah.
I'll have him get you a price.
Oh,
Yeah.
He's
He's
coming.
coming. He's coming to do a thing on a truck and
He
do
has
that.
to do another coat. He did one coat yesterday. He's gonna do another coat as soon as
Why do you think it broke?
lack of oil. Well,
Really?
So the vacuum pump seized and can't turn, so then it just breaks the
Snap it
breaks
right
the
off.
drive. Yeah. Well,
Yeah, I mean,
He
if-
said he said it.
Too.
That's why it was sitting right.
Well, he said it broke, and he parked it, and
and left it.
he had a company car, so he's like, I just started driving a company car. But if you go in the service like history of this car, like it has like no oil changes, no fucking service or anything on it. I mean, it was.
Not good.
So he bought it at Crest
This ain't
actually.
the same motor as your guys' other buddy. No. is it?
No.
It's similar. But
So he bought
Wiring
it.
with an engine, with the engine, the door latch deal, reprogram and reprogram.
Yeah. What's
That
this
was
one?
some
Inner
cool-
outer tie rods.
tiny bit of play.
Yeah.
Obviously, you'd do an alignment if you did the tie rods.
Yeah.
Needs 4 tires.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah, absolutely. It does.
Rear shocks, they're not leaking, but they're cupping the tires, so it's up to you if you want to do
Okay,
them or not. And
backing plate.
the right front backing plate, if we do the brakes, it's like literally just swinging on the axle. So I'll have to get
Okay,
one of those.
we'll get one.
So, I mean, it's not a huge. If we do the brakes, then you do
Which
it.
most
Absolutely.
likely, I wanted to make sure they work. Make sure we
Absolutely.
ain't got
We'll get the
caliber
booster
issues.
done.
and-
Yeah.
You know,
And we're not gonna go crazy with the brakes.
No, don't go
price wise.
Yeah, just go like middle of the road and not go crazy.
Yep.
So the one guy I talked to, he's like, the car sat is probably fucking mold in there. He goes, you should put a respirator on. This guy.
he dropped the cover underneath all these fucking acorns fell over.
Absolutely, because it was he had 2 big acorn trees in his house, like in his driveway.
Wes, you go let him back in the back.
It was crazy.
Put a respirator. That guy must
But
work at ED.
you know, like the battery, John. If the battery's still holding where you could have put a battery, why do it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're thinking of flipping this thing, I mean,
Yeah.
You want it safe. You want it done right.
Absolutely, I
but don't
do.
put any more in
But
than you have to.
Yeah.
excessively.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
if you end up keeping with it, you
I might drive a
Yeah,
little
you know what I
bit
mean?
and then just in
So-
like a, you know.
Put a battery in this thing's gonna be a
Oh.
pain in the balls.
Oh, the guy told me, he goes, I already put in one battery. He goes, I had to remove all of this here, and this had to come out this
Well,
way.
I mean,
you know.
He may have had.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. Yeah.
That's why you see it. Hopefully that bolt's here sometime this morning today.
And you had no problem with that engine mount thing? It slid right in?
Well, no, it was. It's tight. It's not broke.
Oh,
The
really?
lower motor mount.
Really?
No,
Wow.
it was good.
Wow.
I mean, I've done a few of them. But
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, he was concerned that, he goes, yeah, like the engine, like, moves
Once we
a
get
lot.
it running, we'll.
Yeah. Perfect. Just got done with the mechanic. You saw in the video before, it was the vacuum pump, which I didn't even know what a vacuum pump was. I thought it was the booster, the brake booster. So I'm gonna get that fixed up. A lot of issues they found. They think it was from lack of oil changes or bad oil. When I went through the service history of the car, didn't really have a lot of service history. I don't think the guy really took it, get oil changes at all. So they already did an oil change. The oil's still black. I'm gonna probably do a couple of oil changes on it, probably like once a month for the next 2 or 3 months once it gets fixed. But we're gonna price out some tires on it, get the brakes fixed, and then drop it off at our Ford dealer and get the codes cleared out and do all the recalls. There's 4 of them on there, so I'm looking forward to driving. It should be fun. I'll see you guys soon.